Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, base enclosure, wireless module, USB board, primary storage drive, subwoofer, front speakers, fan, and system board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the placement of the lid switch board for later replacement. Using a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool, remove the lid switch board from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover and remove. Place the lid switch board in a static-dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the lid switch board from the static-dissipative bag. Place the lid switch board into position on the top cover and apply pressure to adhere it into position.